Today I'm going to show you some combos that you can do using the spin kick follow-throughs that we've already learned. Let's check it out.
Yeah.
I'm Anthony Medina and welcome to Upraiz Tricking. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be getting into the last set of combos that you're going to be doing for level 1.3. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your third set of combos already. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. The first combo that we're going to get into today is a swing round follow through to a swing round follow through. So you're going to do your swing round follow through and land in a backside stance, but make sure that you're keeping your kicking leg off the ground. And from there you're going to do your second spin swing round and follow through again with that kicking leg to a backside stance. The second combo is going to be a spin cheat hook follow through to another spin cheat hook follow through. So you're going to do your first spin cheat hook follow through and follow through with your kicking leg to a front side stance, but make sure again you keep your kicking leg off the ground. And from there you're ready to do your second spin cheat hook and then follow through with that kicking leg all the way back to a front side stance. Now if you're having any trouble with these combos, I recommend you just work on them slowly, and then as they get easier you can add a little bit more speed and power. Let's check those out one more time. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to support this channel just a little bit more, you can visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. And just by pledging $1 a month, you give me the ability to keep this curriculum going. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be moving on to level 1.4, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz. That was rough.